Sapphire Textile Mills, we started this processing unit in 2014. 2014 year was the year of erection for all these machines. Actually, we are working for the institutional fabrics for the Scandinavian countries, especially in the poly cotton blend. And this is our business which we are doing for the last 20 years. And before this business was outsourced in some other factories. Then the Sapphire Textile owners planned for this visit for this unit, and we started in 2014. In the start, our capacity, production capacity was 2 million meters a month. Then we keep on increasing the capacity. We added new machines, new stentors, and all the machines. And currently, after 7 years of running, we are at a capacity of 3.6 million meter a month. Now we have a very vast, very versatile production facility. We have home textile fabrics, which we are producing for our own stitching, in-house stitching unit. We have the retail fabrics, which we are doing digital printing, reactive printing, dyeing for the Sapphire retail brand. And then we are also, now we started in 2020 a new joint venture with our UK customer Carrington. It's Spincraft, and now we are also in the workwear fabrics. We are doing the workwear fabrics on thermosol pad steam dye. Actually, why we choose Cibitex machine is that was experiment for us in the start. We were in some other brand, the European brand centralizing machine we were running, and when we see the Cibitex machine, we find that the metallurgy looks very good, and on this machine we are able to get a very good production. The production is considerably high than any other centralizing machine, and the main key for this machine is their metallurgy. Centralizing phenomena is always a machine is successful if it is very strong, very robust, because we are doing workwear fabrics, and in workwear fabric shrinkage is very much important. We have to control shrinkage, and all the washing of the fabric is at very high temperatures in the laundries. So on Cibitex machine we are getting very good shrinkage result in the workwear fabrics, and the productivity is high. This is a high speed machine. That's why we selected this machine, and we are more than happy with the machine. यूसुफ भाई, आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? The efficiency is very good. Normally when we talk about the centralizing machine, the average production is like 50,000 meter per day, but on this machine we are getting 65-70,000 meter production, and this production is like 15% higher than other machines. And about the efficiency in terms of the shrinkage parameter is very good. Like we are shrinking the institutional fabrics, the workwear fabrics, all these fabrics are going for laundries for a very high temperature washing and high temperature drying. So shrinkage parameter is very much important in those type of fabrics, and on this machine we are getting really good results.
Are you using the standard machine or customized or tailor-made as per your requirement?
No, this is the standard machine. The difference is it's 3.4 meter working width machine. The roller width is 3.6 meter and working width is 3.4 meter. So it's a big machine, and we run the extra wider width fabrics on this machine. All the other features are standard, like the steaming unit, the spraying, the Vaco spraying unit, and the shrinking belt, the Palmer, the drying cylinders, all are standard.
Please share your experience with CBTech.
Yeah, our experience is really good with Cibitex. We find this machine a very user-friendly machine, especially our operational staff, our workers, the operators of the machine. They are very much happy. They say that this machine is easy to run. It's user-friendly machine. And about the machine performance, they are happy. We are not facing too much shutdowns, breakdowns, and its maintenance is very easy. So our experience is very good. Now recently we are going to enhance our capacity, and we are going to purchase a new machine. The LC for the second Cibitex and frizing machine is already open. We are just buying a new machine just with the same specs of the machine which we already have.
How do you see the response by
The local representative is Texol, and their response is good. Actually, the machine is running good. Even from the start, we didn't find many problems in the machine. The machine is running good, so we are not having any difficulty. We are not facing any difficulty in getting some after-sales services. But those are good people, and whenever we call them, they come and they see their complaint